That was like, Good morning, everyone. Today is the day. Let's go. This is a 2020 with cat delete and a complete exhaust system. Check the Gillette is on because I haven't tuned it yet. Reason why is because it's too fresh, too new to be tuned at the moment. Hopefully by next month we'll get it. But the car is amazing. We're in sport mode, acceleration. I fucking love this. Awesome. Driving this car is just like having sex. For some reason, it's just too fucking good. It's hard to explain, I know about it. Houston! We're making it scream! Yeah. We are at Lamborghini Houston. It's cars and coffee time. Ex-boyfriend. I dumped his ass. Unspeakable in the house. I didn't even figure it out though. Because everybody's asking me, oh my god, is this a special edition? I was like, yep, SVJJ.
The JJ. It's a prostitute edition.
Ah, damn, it's fucking awesome. It is true. He's true. He's right. He's right. Where is the coffee? Nice to meet you, man.
Hey, we got a race.
No, no racing.
Please.
No racing. Dude, I saw a motorcycle accident the other day.
Oh.
Dude, I'm a bike rider. But after my incident, it's like, okay, I'm not gonna ride bikes. Now I wanna go ride bikes. But then after I seen this video, I'm like, oh.
He thinks the Trap Hawk would take you.
Which car? Trap Hawk?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that'll take me out to dinner and supersize my fries.
This guy gets it on the ladies.
Love you, brother.
Man.
You're a good man. You're a good man. What are you gonna talk about?
No, actually.
I like it when people say, hey, my car will take you out. Well, thank you. That's a compliment. Or are you asking me out? Is that what it is? $5.75. Pocket change. I mean, I'd buy it.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Let's sign. Just kidding. I already have one, but somebody must buy this. This is gorgeous. Purple. My favorite color. So the SVJ. Okay, tell me about the SV. So SV stands for Super Veloce, which is super fast. That's how Ferrari came with some. That's how Ferrari came with some.
The super fast.
Which is
not Italian.
Of the,
it doesn't count.
Right, it doesn't.
It should be in Italian.
Now the J
super
is for the track.
Yeah, Joda. What's the extra J in yours stands for? Because yours is the SVJJ. So, what other truck are you talking about? Is that a special model or?
Tracking my bed.
So it's the SVJ.
Well, mine is like it's for fun. I call it SVJJ. It's just it's my Lamborghini. I get to call it whatever I want to call it. So I throw in an extra J. So now it's like SVJJ. So VJJ. Super VJJ.
Super veloce.
Make it extra strong. Start now. Coffee. Cheers. It's hot, but it's delicious. Hey, where's that car that I was in the back? I haven't bought it yet. I need to buy it.
Which one? Which of all?
The Rolls-Royce, the Bentayga.
The Rolls-Royce. What is the Cullinan?
Cullinan.
We're sold out. Check this out. This is everything we have left.
Oh, you sold all the Cullinan?
Yeah.
That's all you have, Rolls-Royces?
Yeah.
But you get it more?
Yeah.
Okay, thank God.
Yeah. We're getting some 2021.
Man, Houston is like really kicking ass. Like people are buying, which is great.
Yeah.
Well, of course they're buying from the best hometown.
Thank you. Oh yes, no. We've got 2021 models coming in, so.
So you're pushing?
Yeah.
Good. We're doing good. Take a sip.
This is scripted.
Oh my god.
You know, it'll be like James Bond.
I'm out. This is a script.
So I actually put one on consignment, white on white.
That's
Why is
correct.
that?
That is correct. Yeah, for order. Yeah. So you commission it. You
Right.
commission on the vehicle.
So we're gonna take this right now. We're gonna go for a ride just to see, experience, the joy of this ride. Zanti! So that's the owner of Zanti's, the Italian restaurant that I go in the Woodlands. One of the best Italian foods in the Woodlands. You guys must check them out. Zanti's in the Woodlands. We should put the link in there. Address, website, Facebook. Zanti!
How are you, man? You're doing your vlog? How you doing? Good?
I'm ready to experience this car. Did you get the job done?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you make sure he's done?
Yes, sir. It's completed. You can trust me.
Either Rolls-Royce, a Lamborghini, or even McLaren. Please come back to Justin. Beautiful. That's cool.
And then up top,
Ooh la la. And you can actually control the speakers, the entertainment center, and climate control.
basically everything from the
Pretty
back.
cool.
And then up top, you get the shooting stars. So
That
let
is
me
cool.
lighten these up a little bit. So periodically, you'll see a little star just kind of flutter across the top.
That is gorgeous.
But
No, those are the entertainment centers too, or no?
what's that?
What are those for?
Where? What are you referring to?
Are those headrests?
Mirrors.
Those are actually mirrors.
Yeah.
And wow.
So this is the extended wheelbase, right? Rolls-Royce doesn't make any short wheelbase cars. They're all long, big body cars. But then they take it a step further from the standard wheelbase to the extended wheelbase.
Well, I put one on consignment, white on white.
Yeah.
You can come in.
Bet. I mean, I'm a fan of Phantom a little bit more, but
Here's the button right there.
You ain't seen this one yet, huh?
okay.
This is cool.
It's a vibe.
Hey. Close the window.
Ecstasy.
Let's talk business. Exotic people that pay well, take them in that car. I think it'd be great, don't you think?
That's a good idea. There's a lot of people that
pay
rent.
itself off, and you have it.
For example, you can say, we take you to the good restaurant.
Yes.
and stuff like
For
that with a
real.
good driver.
It's just a gorgeous freaking car.
And you get them the reservations and like that. Like, for example, that business, there's a lot of people that they wanna get to good restaurants that they cannot get the reservation or getting a good car or stuff like that.
By the way, the food that I had at your Italian restaurant was the best Italian food I ever had in my life, bro.
Thank you, man.
Man, you are amazing, man.
Thank you.
Great job on that restaurant. You guys
The
did a
clients also.
phenomenal job on that restaurant.
See,
The looks
chef
is
very
amazing. The chef is amazing. The taste, the drinks are badass.
good. The drinks are very good.
Would you turn on the massage?
Did I turn the massager on?
A ver. Here. No, this is the heat.
Oh, cool. So, Pablo, see you. What do you think? So this is it here at Lamborghini Houston. I think this is the first Cars and Coffee here at Lamborghini Houston. Beautiful Saturday. The day has not ended yet. There's more to come. Let's go. Where's the keys? I wish if it had like an easy access where you just like walk by it and like touch, but it doesn't. It's a race car. What do you expect?
And that's my uncle / boyfriend, Butch in the building. You sexy ass. You sexy ass. Yo, sexy ass. You sexy ass. No, you're sexy ass. Shut up. You're sexy ass.
Man's fine. I'm in love with it. Honestly. It's always good to ride a bike.
All right.
Welcome to Jessica Robinson's fashion show. Come on, let's go.
How are you? Good.
This is Butch. Butch is amazing.
She does.
Butch is amazing. I love this
You
guy
like my
right
bow
here.
tie?
Yeah, your bow tie. You know, listen to this. I am a fashionista, okay?
That's right.
I have never been outdressed by anyone. He took me to the Houston Auto Show and outdressed me. And I was like, what the hell? Like everyone was touching him, and you know the.
Have you seen my jacket?
Yeah, I saw the. What is it?
I'll show it to you right now. I'll show it to you when we get out.
But he's too much fashion for me, and I'm really over the top. So
Thank you, my darling.
met my match right here.
How's my bow tie? Good? Good. Today I had an epic day, especially at Lamborghini Houston, at Cars and Coffee, and of course, finally got to see my good friends over there, and I got to drive my baby, and I drove it like I stole it. Today we're having a lot going on, such as, you know, events this morning, and now I have another event with Jessica Robinson. She's a fashion designer. She's pretty badass. She invited me to come over. Why not? There's plenty of models I'm gonna go catch right now. The night is not over yet. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, IMPERIAL TV. I'll see you guys later.